So I've got two ABS units here. That's the rebuilt one. This is another ABS unit that I've had sitting around here. I'm just going to put the phone down and I'm going to go ahead and plug in this other ABS unit. Oh, right. So that is not the rebuilt one. That's the rebuilt one there. Let's connect up this negative. Right. Turns the ignition on. Now we've got the scanner here. Oop, wrong car. Got to get Suzuki. And why is that focus so shit? So we can see on the dash there's no service ESP system. This is taking a little while. What's going on here? Let's just check this connection again. Okay, let's just try that again. Skip that. Okay, so let's just manually select, full system list, ABS, Japan, four-wheel drive. Okay, so read volt codes. That's just a steering angle sensor calibration incomplete on this unit, which is pretty normal until you drive it 100 meters down the road. Still no lights on the dash, so we're just gonna turn the ignition off. Just plug that down there again. Sit there. Okay, I'm just gonna unplug that, disconnect the battery, unplug that other unit. Come on. Oh, come on, no, you're undone. Oh, there we go. Plug in the rebuilt unit here. Snap that into place. So now we have the rebuilt unit all plugged in. Just connect that battery back up again. I want to skip that. Just going into Suzuki. Okay, so straight off the bat, we have history, brake fluid. That's because all the brake lines are off and the brake fluid drained out, but we've still got the C1044 in history there, and actually it just come up on the dash, service ESP. So if we get out of there and then just go back in and read fault code, it's still showing it as a history code there, but if we go out and try and clear fault code, clearing fault code, memory failure. Okay, so it will not clear the code. We'll just ignition off and ignition back on. And then straight away, Bing, service ESP system, read fault code, and now it is just coming up as a current cut solenoid circuit coloration. So yeah, once again, we'll just go back and switch that off. Yeah, brake fluid is empty, so that's why it's reading a brake fluid error, because the lines have all drained out. We'll just go ahead, unplug the battery, take off this rebuilt unit. Come on. Plug in that other unit that I've got lying around here. There we go. Plug the battery back on. That's the other unit. Ignition on. Have a look at the scanner. Let's get out of there. Diagnose. Suzuki. Oops. Just gonna go manually select, full system list, ABS, Japan, full drive. Okay. And read fault code. And nothing but the steering angle sensor calibration, which is what they normally do until you're driving down the road. And yeah, no service ESP system. Turn the ignition off, turn it back on again. Nothing wrong. No fault codes except for the steering calibration. So yeah, obviously a faulty rebuilt unit.